Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Today's video is on business etiquette. Can I be personable yet professional? Kit, I know you've delivered presentations on establishing and maintaining trust, and that self-disclosure plays a big role in that. People need to know us before they'll trust us, as you've often reminded me. Sharing information about your personal life is your choice, but be cautious when it comes to what you share. Some colleagues may be more open than others and might choose to keep their personal life private as well. Also, once you share what you really think and how you really feel with someone, it depends entirely on that person's behavior whether you will experience positive or negative consequences. Similarly, you may want to limit personal calls, emails, and other non-work related tasks to, and wait till after work hours. Lastly, getting to know your colleagues is a good thing, but always be respectful of other space. If you need to discuss something with them, don't just walk in, knock, or make your presence known, and always offer to schedule a meeting for later in the day if they are busy in the moment. To build a solid internal network, exhibit some referent power and consider what you can do for the other person and what they can do for you. For instance, you might consider helping your internal network when they need it, and they may be more likely to offer you help when you need it. Great ideas. Typically, I'm a very private person, and as I recall, you told me one time to be careful and just share information, ideas, and thoughts and feelings that are relevant to the relationship and appropriate to the situation. Otherwise, I should bite my tongue. Good advice, and oh boy, does my tongue have a lot of scar tissue. Thank you for watching this video on business etiquette. Can I be personable yet professional? Yes, you can. If you're wondering how to balance personal and professional relationships, contact me at kit@welchlin.com. I'll provide a seminar that will help.